Welcome. The topic we'll be discussing in this lecture is wireless application environment. So the main idea behind wireless application environment is to create a general purpose application environment uh, for existing technologies and philosophies of the World Wide Web. Okay. This environment should allow service providers, software manufacturers, or hardware vendors to integrate their applications so that they can reach a wide variety of different wireless platforms. Okay, and WAE has already integrated a few technologies like HTML, Java, HDML. HTML is uh, HDML is handheld device markup language, which is the basis for WML, wireless markup language, and also it has integrated scripting languages, WML script, and many other things, right? Okay. So, uh, so the URLs from the web can also be used in the wireless web environment. Okay. A wide range of mobile telecommunication technologies have been adopted and integrated into WTA, wireless telephony applications. So, so the first phase of WAE specification developed a whole application suite, especially for wireless networks. The future developments of WAE will include extensions for more content formats, integration of further existing and emerging technologies, more server side aspects, and the integration of intelligent telephone networks. So, this is the WAE logical model. So, here we can see there is a origin server, there is a gateway, and there is a client. The origin server contains different types of servers. The client, when it needs any service, it will send an encoded request. The client, when it needs any service, it will send an encoded request. So why it is encoding in the sense to reduce the air traffic. So when it is encoded, uh, the the content will be minimized so that over the air the data delivered will be minimum. Okay, and this encoded request will be received by the gateway, and the gateway will decode it. Gateway will decode it because only if it is decoded it will be understood by the origin servers, and then it will send to the appropriate origin server. Then the origin server will respond to the request. Okay, and the request and now the gateway will get the request, and again the gateway will encode it, and then it will send to the appropriate client. Okay, the gateway encodes the pushed content. Okay, so the web server, it will respond with the content. Okay, so uh, so whatever the uh, so so the WA logic model not only includes the standard request response schemes, but it also includes push services. Okay, sometimes server pushes some content into the gateway. Okay, that might not have been requested by the client, but server itself pushes, maybe something like advertisement. Okay, so so whatever may be the case, uh, after getting the content, the gateway will encode it. Okay, so it is a direct content it is coming. The gateway will encode it, and the gateway pushes the gateway encodes the pushed content and transmit the encoded pushed content to the client. Okay, so several user agents can be available with the client. So the user agents includes such items as browsers, phone books, message editors, etc. WA does not specify the number of user agents or their functionality, but assumes a basic WML user agent that supports WML script or both. Okay. So there can be different types of user agent. So there is no limit on the number of user agent, but all the user agents should support WML and WML script. Okay. Further, domain-specific user agents with varying architectures can be implemented. Again, it is left to the vendors. Okay. So, mm, and one more user agent has been specified with its fundamental services, the WTA user agent. This user agent handles access to and interaction with mobile telephony features. Okay, so WTA is wireless telephony applications. Okay, and many vendor dependent user agents may develop. So there is no limit on the user agents. The standard defines a user agent profile. The WML standard only it just defines a user agent profile, and they all should support WML markup language and scripts. So that's it about wireless application environment. Fine, let us stop here. Thank you.